Most people in relationship think that bringing out something that is bothering them will create more issues and may even destroy their relationship, but that is not the right thing to do. If you do not talk about something that is bothering you, you will not be at peace. If you do not have a peace of mind, you will not be yourself, and if you are not being yourself, how will you be able to give your partner enough? And this will cause more relationship issues because there will come a gap between you two. Even if they are too expressive, they will not be able to give you enough. They will not be able to communicate with you or talk to you about anything because you will not be yourself, and they will eventually start to think that you have changed. Once your partner starts to feel that you have changed, they may start to overanalyze things. They may even start to think that your interest may have shifted from them to somebody else. That is why you are not being yourself. That is why you are being so distant. And that will actually destroy your relationship. So start to talk about what is bothering you. It will save and actually make your relationship stronger.